YouTube just rolled out a new feature that will actually help to boost your engagement. This one is for those of you complaining that I'm making videos, I'm not seeing engagement. People are not commenting, people are not liking, people are not sharing my videos. If you actually use proper use of this particular feature, trust me, you'll be getting engagement. And in fact, I will also be using this particular feature in this particular video. If you want me to do that, don't worry. Maybe towards the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you what to do so I can actually use that feature for you guys, and you guys can see what it looks like and how it can help to boost your views and help the algorithm to push out your content. So there's something about YouTube. Before YouTube can push your content out to more viewers, more people, you know, when you upload your video initially, there is something that YouTube called testing phase. So that testing phase, YouTube will share your video to your subscribers, then see how they are going to react. So if they are reacting positively by commenting, like the kind of engagement, the watch time they also give to that particular video, that is what will make YouTube recommend it to more viewers. So this particular new feature, what it does is that it will not only allow you to respond to comments by typing, you can respond to comments now by voice note. Oh my God, this is actually new. I'm going to be leaving it on the screen so that you guys know where to click if you want to do that. If you have not done that in your channel yet, go and check and start doing that. It builds engagement. Imagine not seeing the regular kind of comments of maybe somebody asks you anything, now the regular kind of, just comment that you just read. Imagine just listening to the person's voice in real time. Like, imagine asking a question. Imagine asking me a question right now, and then I am responding to you with my voice. You know how that can be? To me, it's actually very fascinating, and I also feel like it boosts engagement here, because if you know that this particular person is going to respond to you with a voice note, then why not? So guys, what I'm actually going to be doing for you guys in this particular video is that I am going to be responding to all comments I get with a voice note. Yes, I'm not going to be typing. I'm actually going to be using voice notes to respond to each and every comment. So all you just need to do, if you have any question you want to ask me, be it on how to get 1,000 subscribers, be it on how to get 4,000 watch hours, because sometimes you know that when you type, the context can be misunderstood. Somebody can say something in a way that actually mean no harm, and then you can pick offense because of how you interpret or how the thing plays in your head. But when you listen to voice, sometimes you can understand it better. So some people might have asked several questions and maybe I've actually answered by typing, but then they still did not, get it and understand. But when you use voice notes, it gives more meaning, you understand, and people actually understand the context better. So if you're actually among those that want me to respond, or you have any questions for me regarding any of my video you must have watched, and you have any questions that maybe I have either not replied, or the one I have replied, and maybe when I replied using the text version you did not understand, let me know in the comment section, guys. Type it and I'm going to be responding with voice notes, guys. Let's see how this particular, responding with voice comment can actually boost engagement and get more views. Let's use this particular video as a practical example, guys. All right, see you again in our next video. This is N with Nika, I'm your baby girl. I teach YouTube growth, how you can grow your YouTube channel from the scratch, get it monetized. And if you need my coaching, I'm going to be leaving my email on the screen. I'd love to leave my number, but you know how YouTube works now. We cannot just leave your phone number on the screen. Yeah, it's against YouTube community guidelines, to just leave out your phone number. It's not allowed, but you can leave out your email. So that's why I usually leave out my email. So when you reach out to me, email, then I'll now give you my WhatsApp number, or you can check my channel description. It actually have my WhatsApp number, so you can just reach out to me on WhatsApp directly instead of just coming to my email, because email is too official. But WhatsApp is like straightforward, straight to the point. All right, thank you so much. And by the way, my coaching is not free, yes, unless if you just want to ask like maybe 1 or 2 questions, but my coaching is actually not free. See you again in our next video. I love you guys. Bye, guys.